Good Monday morning, y'all. It's a new week, but the same old breakfast. Egg and cheese McMuffins. Um, I gave myself the day off yesterday from recording anything for any of my channels. So, it is about 20 till 6 this morning, which I don't know. I have been up for a few hours. I had woken up about 2:30 ish and had a very hard time getting back to sleep. So I might be taking a nap later after I drop my youngest off at school. Today's his first day. He's still sleeping, and I hope he has a great first day of school today, which we'll be leaving here in about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so we are having dinner. It is a salad with chicken last night. Well, and strawberry balsamic vinaigrette last night. It was steak, salad, and honey balsamic vinaigrette. Very tasty. It's hot. Good Tuesday morning, y'all. It is breakfast time. You wanted to take a guess at what's for breakfast this morning? It is my usual egg and cheese muffin. I should have bought some more English muffins while I was at the Mart of Wall yesterday, but I did not. I can eat eggs some other way. I got bread, so. Anyways, oh, yesterday I know I didn't do a clip on this, but for lunch yesterday I had an Italian Hero sub, the smaller one, not the bigger one, for lunch. Um, so yeah. Anyways, okay, y'all. It is now lunchtime, and I got the Kraft Power Mac macaroni and cheese, the white cheddar one. So I like macaroni and cheese. Okay, it's not bad. You know, for a 1 cup serving, it is like 400 calories. There's obviously more than 1 cup here. 400 calories, 17 grams of protein, and 6 grams of fiber. So it's not bad. I don't know if I will get it again. We still have the original to try, so we'll see. Okay, y'all. It is dinner time, and we're having one of my favorite things, a tomato sandwich with the because this is still edible. Anyways, mom brought home fresh tomatoes from somebody's garden. Um, and I was struggling to come up with something to eat because, like, it's kind of hot. Okay, and I have pork chops. I don't feel like cooking because it's kind of hot. So this works. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. It is lunchtime. Um, Made the other box of the Power Mac and cheese. So, um, this is the original flavor. I do. Elijah wants me to order more, get more, but I think I'll go to Sam's Club and just get the 18 pack or 8 pack or whatever. So, anyways, mac and cheese for lunch. At least it has protein and fiber. Okay, y'all, it is dinner time, and we're just having some spaghetti with elbow macaroni pasta. Fun fact, did you know that there is 7 grams of protein per serving of the elbow macaroni because I did not. So, there you go. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. I know that was a little dramatic, but whatever. Um, it's dinner time. For breakfast I had spaghetti. For dinner, or for lunch, I had raviolis. I know, hurricane crap, but for lunch, or for dinner, we're having pork chops, pasta, and mixed vegetables. I was able to donate blood today, so that is good. Good Friday morning, y'all. Wyatt is home from school today because he had a bit of a runny situation last night. Twice. So, anyways, it's breakfast time. A meal that we have seen plenty of times on this channel. It is an omelet with peppers, potatoes, spinach, eggs. I use 2 jumbo eggs and then egg whites to bring it up to 5 ounces or a little over 5 ounces. And cheese and either pico de gallo or salsa on top. So, with the eggs and the cheese, it does have protein in it, healthy fats, carbs, and it'll keep me full for a few hours. So, oh, and I use garlic powder and seasoned salt to season it when I am cooking the peppers and tomatoes. Okay, y'all, it is dinner time or lunchtime, I'm sorry, and this is my failed attempt at onigiri. I know I didn't make it right. I know I didn't make sushi right. This is my first time doing it, but I got the little one with the sticky rice and the sushi roll, nori stuff. So I know I stuffed that one too far, so feel free to skip this part if you want to. Or not. That's fine. Okay, y'all. I just got out of the shower, heated up wow, those are still attached to my head. Heated up some leftovers. Spaghetti. So, I need to get some footage off of my phone. So, while I am eating, but I am hungry, I feel better. Now that I have gotten a shower, I feel a little less disgusting. So, anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Good Saturday morning, y'all. It is breakfast time. I have a cup of Earl Grey with collagen peptides in it, that I am waiting to, cool off, and I don't know where that came from here. Probably from me. So anyways, I have an egg and cheese sandwich for breakfast this morning. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm hungry. Okay, y'all, it is dinner time, and I am eating a steak salad. Mom and I went to Food Line. We walked over because, we are walking distance from the Food Line here. So, anyways, I wanted a salad. Okay, I think I bought the salad mix yesterday or the day before. I think yesterday. But, I bought some steak and sauteed that up, and then I got some goat cheese crumbles and some honey balsamic vinaigrette. But anyways, I am going to eat this, and then I'm going to have me a bowl of ice cream, and I'm going to edit this video and finish my other video because I have not done that yet either. So anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend and a great week coming up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.